Would you like to own traditional yet modern, timeless terracotta products? The mesmerizing creations of this gifted artist will captivate you, weaving tales of nature and heritage. Welcome to the enchanting world of terracotta, where lifeless clay is shaped into vibrant, soulful creations. Here, the art breathes, tells stories, and evokes emotions. This world belongs to A.K. Arun, a true maestro of terracotta art, whose life is a testament to resilience, passion, and unmatched skill. Born into a humble family in the serene village of Villiyapalli Vadagara in Kerala's Kozhikode district, Arun's journey has been anything but ordinary. Despite being born deaf and mute, Arun's hands have always spoken louder than words. His fascination with the fine arts, painting, drawing, and sculpture pushed him forward, undeterred by his disabilities. Arun found his calling at the Kerala School of Arts in Thalassery, where he mastered the craft of clay modelling and painting, graduating with a prestigious Kerala Government Certificate in Fine Arts. His creations, whether of nature's delicate rhythms or the raw beauty of wildlife, sing with a grace that only his hands could bring to life. Every piece Arun sculpts carries a part of his soul. Arun's skill isn't confined to just clay. His mastery extends to mural painting, with many of his awe-inspiring works gracing public spaces throughout Kozhikode, including the famous depiction of Kadathanadan Kalaripaita, proudly displayed near the railway station. Recognized for his extraordinary craftsmanship, Arun was awarded the Kerala State Handicrafts Award in 2021, a testament to his skill, perseverance, and unique artistic vision. In Kerala, terracotta has a long and rich legacy. Shaped from the earth, each piece embodies the culture and heritage of this land. Supporting artisans like Arun ensures that these traditional techniques are preserved for future generations, allowing the stories and craftsmanship of Kerala to continue to thrive. Each purchase contributes to the sustainability of local artistry and empowers artisans to keep their craft alive.